Today I'm going to bake a healthy apple cake. You know it's healthy because I'm using only ingredients that are healthy. Sugarless, flourless, butterless. You need 2 apples, then 2 eggs, and the Greek yogurt. You know the Greek yogurt is healthy, and my flavor is the prunes. It's good to have blueberries, but I don't have here in the house, so I use the prunes. The first thing you do is you wash the apples, then cut them to pieces, and you have to blend this one. If you don't have a blender, you can use this one to grind the apple. Na-blend na apple. Then we mix other ingredients. Guys, ito na yung aking na-blend na apples. Then we will put the Greek yogurt. Healthy ang Greek yogurt, diba guys? I-blend natin ngayon. I-mix natin. We'll use 150 grams, equivalent to 300 grams of Greek yogurt. Yun na, complete na ito. With milk na ito kasi yogurt, you know, it's milk cream. Right, guys? And then we have this is guys. Mix this one. Mix. You can use the mixer para may magandang blend. The eggs. You put 2 eggs. Okay, 1 and 2 eggs. Mix this one. Mix this one. Lagyan ko siya ng flavoring, vanilla. Ayan, vanilla. And then, para maganda ang pagkatubo ng aking cake, so lagyan ko siya ng baking powder. Yan. Kasi ano lang, kalahati lang sa, how much is this? Sa 10 grams, kalahati lang, 5 grams of baking powder para mag-alsa siya konti guys. Para hindi siya flat in the oven. Ito na. Combine natin sandali ng ating mixer para malasa. This one, ready to bake na guys. Ilagay na natin sa ating baking container. Guys, prepare ko ng ating baking pan. Yan, ilagay natin ng parchment paper para sa baking. Then, ito na. Ready to bake na. Pour na natin dito. At i-bake natin for 180 degrees for 30 minutes. Then, ang ating flavoring, lagyan natin ng prune. Lagyan natin, i-slice natin. Lagyan natin ng prune para masarap. Para may lasa. Ang patam. Ito na guys, ready to bake ng aking apple cake na healthy sa oven. This is now, we'll put the cake in the oven. Tadaan! And we'll bake it for... This is it! Luto na! Best for diabetic people and to those who have cancers because, you know, sugar is not good for the cancer people.